Working after retirement? No way, many say. But if you need to, and especially if you want to add something purposeful to your second chapter in life, an Encore Career is something for you. In this video, I will explain what it is and how to find that Encore Career that fits you. Let's dive right into it. After decades of working, week after week, year after year, retirement finally arrives. And at first, it feels like freedom. But then something unexpected happens, a quiet emptiness. Suddenly, 40 plus something hours a week are gone, and the question becomes, what do I do now? Some people enjoy the rest, but many feel something is missing. A sense of purpose, a reason to wake up excited again. And that's where an Encore Career can change everything. In this video I will show you how to discover an Encore Career that fits your life, your pace and your passion. And stay with me, because at the end I will share a simple tool that can help you find your direction faster than ever. If you're new here, I'm Jan. I'm original from Sweden. Yes, the accent gives it away. And I've been living in Mexico for many years. What I just described was me. But today at 74, I can honestly say I'm living the most purposeful and fulfilling life I've ever had. Why? Because I found my Encore Career. Now, I know what you might think. Isn't that just another job? Not at all, my friend. Let me show you what makes it completely different. An Encore Career isn't about going back to work. It's about moving forward with intention. It's a way to stay mentally sharp, stay socially connected, explore passions you never had time for, and most importantly, rediscover your purpose. Yes, sometimes people pursue an Encore Career for income, but for many it's about something deeper. It's about meaning. And while the idea sounds simple, finding your path can feel overwhelming. That's why you need a roadmap. And here it is. When I was searching for my path, I discovered a powerful Japanese concept, Ikigai. It means a reason for being, your purpose. It's built on 4 simple pillars. Let's start with the first one. What do you love to do? What are you good at? Where these meet, you will find your passion. But this is where most people get stuck. So let's make it simple in the next step. Take a piece of paper and write down everything you love to do randomly. Don't overthink it. Just let it flow. It could look like this. Then make a second list. What are you good at? Something like this. Try to be as specific as possible. Now rank both lists. Your top answers, that's where the truth is. Finally, combine them. Where they overlap, you will start seeing patterns. And this is where something powerful begins to form. This is the embryo to define your passion. This exact exercise changed my life. These lists and conclusions were mine over 20 years ago, but I put them together to define my purpose. I discovered my direction, coaching, teaching, helping others grow. That became my Encore Career and the foundation of my online business, the Golden Age Lifestyle. My mission? Help retirees and people about to retire find a meaningful, purposeful activity in their next chapter. But here's the truth. Purpose alone isn't enough. Let's take it one step further. If no one cares about your purpose and no one really needs it, it stays a passion. And that's okay. But if you want an Encore Career or business, you need a demand. As Are people searching for this? Do they need help in this area? Today with AI and the internet, this step is easier than ever. I will show you in a moment. When demand meets your passion, you have found your mission. But can it actually generate income? Let's see. Now check what people are already paying for. Look at online platforms, competitors, market pricing. Use AI, but always double check. When people are willing to pay, your vocation is born. And when everything aligns, your Encore Career starts to reveal. Now let's bring it all together. Here it is, your Ikigai. Passion, mission, vocation, and profession. When these align, you don't just pass time in retirement, you create a life of meaning. As all circles with various sections tied together, to start the first part correctly will directly influence the final result. Therefore, I cannot stress enough that you take the first step seriously to truly define what you love to do. When I started my online business, I worked a lot on this part. Since artificial intelligence became a reality, everything changed. And today, there is a faster way to get there. When I started, this process took time, a lot of time. Today, technology has changed everything. The platform I use now includes powerful AI tools that help you clarify your purpose, validate your ideas, build your Encore Career step by step at your own pace. No stress, no overwhelm. So, what's your next step? If you're thinking about starting your own Encore Career, I have included a free training in the description here below in the text that walks you through the process. No pressure, just a way to explore what's possible. And if you would like to go deeper into finding your purpose, watch the next video appearing somewhere here on the screen. But before you go, tell me in the comments, what would you love to do in this next chapter of life? Because your Encore Career might be closer than you think.